Well, this special video is to you, my great fan, for your support, for your love. We just hit 2,000 subscribers and I am overwhelmed with joy. Thank you for your love. Thank you for always pushing me, asking for content, guys. And we have grown big. I have so many fans here who are Indians, who are Nigerians, and I just want to accommodate everyone in Koki's kitchen, okay? And to you who's also a Kenyan, and we've been doing Kenyan recipes, and this time I just want to explore more. And I am so lucky because I've had an Indian friend who's taught me lots of Indian recipes, and I'm ready to share for my Indian fans over here, and also to you who would love to explore other cuisines and try other dishes. This is your time. Stay tuned on Koki's Kitchen, because you know what? We are just becoming big and better for everyone. So thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I love you guys. Thank you for always being there for me. You guys are my real gang. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Love you. Bye.